In this video, we're gonna see how much electricity we could generate with this gearbox and with this generator. This little generator is pretty cool, so I'm excited to see the results. Last week we tried attaching a drill to the gearbox with varying results. So let's speed through all of the boring CAD work, but basically what I did was I made an attachment for the generator. So once the CAD design was finished, I threw it into my slicer and 3D printed it. So while the new base was 3D printing, I decided to see what voltage I could get by just spinning it by hand. And I could only get really about 0.6 to 0.8 volts. Alright, so this print is just about done. There we go, and finished. Okay, and time to switch the gears over to the new stand. Just one minor issue. I've printed this thing so many times I'm losing track of which part is which and which design iteration is the one I've done last time. Luckily, I found this one, which kind of fits. It's also always a good idea to use the world's smallest nuts and bolts for your project. Okay, the moment is here. How much power can we generate? How much power can this gearbox produce? We shall see. All right. This thing looks cool. Actually looks pretty awesome if you ask me. I mean, look how cool that is. It just doesn't work. It's horrible. There's way too much friction with this design. Definitely need some major improvements. I don't know what I was thinking. I was expecting like 12, 24 volts out of this. It's rated up to about that much. It could produce that much power. It's just so hard to spin. So I think I need to do what I should have done a long time ago. Complete redesign.